Hi everyone. Today we're going to take a look at the 5 best Android tablets for drawing in the market for this year. First, we're going to show you our 5 best picks, then we'll talk about what you should look for before buying an Android tablet for drawing. You can find timestamps and links to all of the products that we mentioned in this video down in the description below. Let's get started. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy Tab S7. Without a doubt, I have to start by recommending the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7. It's one of the top Android tablets for artists available right now. It can even rival the iPad Pro in comparison. Samsung has outdone itself with this new product. The specs are impressive. It has an 11-inch screen with a 2560 by 1600 pixel resolution, so the display is as crisp and clear as they come. It's almost as powerful as a laptop, but without the bulk. The Galaxy S7 charges quickly, and then you can draw on the go for hours at a time. Even better, the Galaxy S7 comes equipped with the Samsung S7 Pen. This is good news for your wallet, as you won't have to buy a stylus separately. The S7 Pen is a joy to use. Its responsivity is incredible as it glides across your screen. Artists will appreciate the improved refresh rate. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. If the Galaxy S7 is out of your budget, consider the Samsung Galaxy S6 Lite instead. It's considerably cheaper and still has all the features that you need for note-taking and drawing. Like the other Samsung Galaxy models, the stylus comes with the tablet. In this case, it's the S Pen designed to pair with the S6 Lite. The S Pen delivers an accurate sensitivity with excellent response times. The elegant metal build complements the beautiful S6 Lite tablet. Compared to the S6 S6 Lite has a slightly smaller screen and less storage. But it beats it on other counts, like the longer battery life and handy headphone jack. The Samsung Galaxy S6 Lite is an excellent choice for any artist. It's more affordable than the S6 or S7. So it's suitable for an artist who wants to draw and sketch digitally, but doesn't need lots of extra features. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Tab S6. You've met the S7 and the S6 Lite so far, but they aren't the only Samsung tablets worth a mention. The Galaxy S6 has a gorgeous streamlined metal design. It's designed specifically for artists with a high-res screen, vivid colors, and superb contrast. These features make it easy for you to work for longer without striking eye fatigue. The fast processor allows you to work on complicated designs and run heavy programs with no issues. You'll be pleased to hear that you also get the Samsung S Pen bundled with this tablet, so you can factor that into your budget. The S Pen is one of the best digital pens for drawing. With 4,096 pressure points, the sensitivity is sublime. It's responsive with no lags and feels like you're drawing with a real pen. It's comfortable to hold and weighty enough that it doesn't seem flimsy. Plus, the new metallic design looks cool. Number 2. Lenovo Tab M10 Plus. Another fantastic option is the Lenovo M10. This slim tablet has an attractive metal design and small bezels. The 10.3-inch display is vivid and intense, giving you plenty of space for your illustrations. It's also excellent value for the money. You'll need to buy the Lenovo Tab M10 Plus stylus separately, but as both the tablet and stylus are very affordable, it's still a great investment. The M10 offers more advanced features than a budget tablet. The 1920 by 1200 pixel high-res screen is crystal clear and sharp. It's also easy on the eyes due to its built-in eye protection, so you can draw and sketch comfortably without getting sore eyes or headaches. Plus, the octa-core processor can handle almost all programs that you test it with. Combine that with up to 32 gigabytes of storage space, and the specs are more than decent. Number 1. Simband's Picasso Tab. Understandably, not everyone can stretch to the Samsung Galaxy S7, but don't be discouraged. There are some excellent affordable options out there. The Simband's Picasso is one of the best budget drawing tablets around. With an affordable price, it's easy to underestimate what this tablet can do. But you'll be pleasantly surprised. You can create intricate, precise drawings with this model. The Picasso Tab comes with a Picasso Tab Active Pen, all in one handy package. The 10-inch HD screen ensures that your drawings look their best. While the resolution isn't as high as other models at 1280 by 800p, it's plenty for beginner or amateur artists. This tablet is hard-wearing and has excellent connectivity options. It connects seamlessly to Wi-Fi and has HDMI and USB-C ports. In the package, you get a tablet, cover, and drawing glove included. You won't need to worry about scratching the screen, as it has a pre-installed screen protector. Now that we showed you the best Android tablet for drawing, let's talk about a few things you should look for before buying one. Responsivity. The best Android tablet for drawing will have a very responsive screen and stylus. The pen and tablet need to work together without lags. This way, you'll see what you draw straight away. Even better, the most sensitive stylus will pick up the pressure and tilt of the pen. These features allow you to take your art to the next level. You can create lighter or heavier shading depending on how you use the pen. Processor. Just like computers, you should check out the power of the processor. This feature will give you a good idea of how it can cope with running heavy design programs or multiple apps at once. Cheaper tablets will have a more basic processor, so you might be limited to what you can do. While that doesn't have to be a deal breaker, expect longer delay times. Battery life. The longer the battery life, the better. Then, you'll have the freedom to draw from anywhere for as long as you like. Look out for how quickly the device charges up, too. It's handy to know before you buy. Price. Finally, the tablet needs to suit your budget, so work out how much money you'd like to spend. Then you can shop around for tablets in that price range. There's a good range of tablets with something for everyone to choose from. Below, I'll share my top recommendations for the best Android tablet with stylus.